Hello, I'm Debbie from Sew Simple Bags. I'd like to introduce you to my latest sewing pattern, the Oxford purse. Oxford is a lightweight purse that's easy to sew, doesn't need expensive hardware or any difficult to find supplies or materials. It's the ideal size for your everyday grab and go bag with space for your phone, your wallet, your keys and more. There's a fixed strap which you can make to your own preferred length, a magnetic snap closure on the front, and a simple slip pocket on the lining. Darts front and back give it a lovely curved shape, and don't worry, they really aren't difficult to sew. I'll show you how. The Oxford purse comes with two options. You can just get the written pattern with the photo step-by-step instructions, or if you prefer, there's also a full-length video tutorial to show you how to sew this bag step by step. Covered in the video are all the steps needed to sew the bag, including how to install the magnetic snap, how to get a good fit with your lining, and how to sew perfect darts. It's an easy bag to sew, and any beginner should be able to get good results. There are only 3 pattern pieces needed, plus fabric of your choice, interfacing, fusible fleece, and a magnetic snap. It's a really cute bag, and I think you'll really like it. So if you would like to give the Oxford purse a try and are watching this on YouTube, look out for the link underneath the video in the description, which will take you over to the correct page on the Sew Simple Bags site to get your copy of the Oxford purse pattern. If you're already watching this on Sew Simple Bags, then you're already on the right page. So look out for the button below the video to get your pattern. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.